So what do you do when your ZERO8, right, comes new? All right, for a new set, it shouldn't have a shaky frame or shaky T-bar, right? So we're going to teach you how to tighten it. For older sets, the shakiness is normal, but for new sets, there shouldn't be any shakiness in the T-bar, at least in the vertical stem. So that means that maybe a screw, there's a holding screw that is loose. So we're going to teach you how to tighten up the holding screw. Go ahead. Alright, so fold the scooter down and you will see a screw here, right? Use a Allen key to just tighten it up, but don't tighten all the way because you will have problems folding it upright later. So just make sure that it's tight, but not... Okay, see? So, is this fully in?
Okay, I release it.
Okay, so maybe it's too tight. So that's what happens when it's too tight, right? So just make sure that it is tight enough such that it can close. There you go. Okay, so this thing has to sit nicely in that hook there, right? So as you can see, right, it's going to be tight. Doesn't have any shakiness.